Hindi sinabi ni Lord, ayusin mo muna sarili mo ha, bago ka lumapit. He said, come just as you are. Pagod ka na ba? Pagod ka na ba sa buhay? Pagod ka kaisip? Pagod ka kalaban? Pagod kahit wala ka namang ginagawa? If yes, this message is for you. Alam mo, hindi ka mahina dahil napagod ka. Human ka lang, tandaan mo yan. Tao ka lang. Even si Elijah, isang powerful na lingkod ng Diyos, napagod, natakot at gusto nang sumuko. Pero pakinggan mo to, hindi siya pinagalitan ng Diyos. Hindi siya sinabihan ng kulang ka sa faith. Instead, pinagpahinga siya ng Diyos, pinakain, at pinalakas ulit. Kaya kung napapagod ka ngayon, pakinggan mo to. God is not disappointed in you. He sees you, kapatid. Sabi sa Matthew 11 verse 28, come to me all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Hindi sinabi ni Lord, ayusin mo muna sarili mo ha, bago ka lumapit. He said, come just as you are. So, if today, ang kaya mo lang ay huminga at umiyak, that's okay. If ang prayer mo ay, Lord, pagod na po ako, that still counts. Hindi ka late, hindi ka left behind. God is still working. Even when you are tired, hold on. Kasi, hindi dito nagtatapos ang kwento mo. May pahinga, may healing, may bagong lakas, kapatid. And it's coming from God. If this message spoke to you, comment, Lord, I need your rest. And share this to someone who needs encouragement today. And don't forget, God sees you and He's not done with you yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.